Hello, and welcome to the overview video for the beginning of the cardiovascular unit. So we're going to go ahead into our online distance learning folder, and you'll see this once I publish it for you. It'll be a blue folder here. So we're going to go into the cardiovascular system. Right now I only have the first day, which is day 11. And so the first thing that we are going to, before we even get into like the parts of the cardiovascular system or the heart and things like that, we want to talk about blood first, because that is the main transportation that takes anything throughout the body. So it's, although the heart is obviously a very important part, blood is just as important. So what I did for you, just to kind of get some notes rather than looking at a PowerPoint and filling in the blank. I found this link right here. It's actually a Red Cross facts about blood, and talks about blood types. It gives you some information about, what the blood types are, how they are, how you determine, if you're A or B or AB or O, and what is actually in the blood that makes it that type. And then it talks about blood transfusion. So if anybody ever needs to receive blood, say that somebody was in, has a disease where you need a blood transfusion, or maybe you were in a horrible accident and you lost a lot of blood, or had a surgery and you need more blood. So the doctors want to know what your blood type is, so that your blood does not react to any foreign blood that comes into your body. Some of you might have, I think you're all of age where you can give blood. Some of you might have even given blood, and some of you might know what your blood type is. So you'll be able to kind of see like who you could get blood from and what other blood types you could donate to. So what I would recommend is take the link. It's just a website, and then there's questions that you are going to do simultaneously. You could read through the website and then answer the questions if you'd like to, but honestly it's easier if you do it simultaneously. I would recommend split screening the reading and the questions, if you can do that, or if you have two screens available, like a laptop and an iPad, where you could click back and forth. It's whatever your preference is. There are 2 attempts to these questions, so if you missed one for the first try, go back and try it again. And that is day 11.